So on key press is a event now. On key press equal to I'll say p strength, because I don't want to write a big name also. I just say p strength over there. I'll remove this image here. We don't want any more of this, and p strength will be displayed in the password strength. And let's say we do some more thing here, side by side, just as I'm writing here, just to display it by the side of our side by side. Let's say display inline block, right? And what do we do here is div class equal to row. Fine, I'll say this to be input, let's say. Okay, here again dot input. I'm gonna make this as display inline block, and let's say let this width be 48% and let this width be 48%. So when both of them are equal, what I do is like I just write them here also, input. Let's see how they look. So I saved it and I copy this, I paste it, and also part 2. Okay, this is what our, it's already out of focus, so I cannot do anything about that. We'll see. So okay, now I want to, like, I'm typing in here, I want to know the password strength. For instance, how do we determine password strength? Let's say if it is 1 to, let's say 1 to 4 characters, it's okay. Or let's say 1 to 6, okay. If it's something less than 6, it's not okay. Gotta throw an error saying, hey, your password is must be at least 6 characters. Then 6 to 10, it's good, and 10 to 15, it's strong. Okay, let's just assume that as here. That's the criteria here, like, you know, to measure the password strength. I'm taking out these classes here, I mean functions there. And what is p strength, right? Yeah, function p strength. So the first thing I have to do is var element equal to document dot get element by id, and here our id is password. And the next thing I gotta do is like var password equal to element dot value. Okay, so this determines you. Now here the tricky part, if password dot length, okay, if this is less than 6, what I do is, okay, let me take here var strength div, let's say. Okay, var strength div, let's say it is oh, this is not id, this is class actually, and class equal to, so here this is document dot get element by id. So the id is password strength. Oops. Alright, now here I gotta put in, like, suppose if it's less than 6, it must be red and show a text there. So we do, what we do is strength div dot set attribute. Here it already has a class, right? So class, so use this too, because then alert danger. Okay, then strength underscore div dot inner html equal to password must be at least 6 characters. Alright, now here if password, or let's say length here, instead of this again writing and again, so length equal to password, okay, dot length. So here instead of writing this the whole story here, I just can say length. Again here too, if length is greater than 6 now and length less than 10, okay, now it should say good. Good is something I'll show in green, let's say. So here I'll let danger, I'll say I'll let success. Okay, password strength is good. Now here it's something, it's a greater than 10. Okay, then let's say alert info. Info is another class in Bootstrap. Say password is great. Alright, let's see how does it work. So here I'll write, okay, there must be some modifications here. It does not look so good. So 48% ain't working. The width here, let's take it, okay, and I want the side by side, okay, let its width be pretty less. I'll say let's say 30%. I want it that big actually. So let's see, refreshed. It's the problem here is margin left, let's say 20 pixel. Sounds fair, but the height and the padding, I guess it's a padding, so I can use Firebug and see what does it have. So background color is fine, so it's 15 pixels. Yeah, we don't want 15 pixels. I want something like this. I want margin bottom. And what's your problem actually? Let's see. What's this guy's problem? The problem is that, okay, I got the problem. So the problem is this. Okay, here input, I'll take this off, I'll put it here, and let's see what we got over there. Let's see. Oh, got it. Okay, now I got it. So now 40%, 30%, no, and let's say this is not input. That's a problem. So refresh. Yeah, this sounds fair. Fine. So you see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, okay. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 it says good. So let's see what. Okay, we said what is our condition over there? Okay, this must be equal to, and this must be equal to. Now the condition is absolutely great. Okay, so now let's see. I'm typing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now this is how, I just validate the password. Any questions here about validating the passwords? And you can do a lot of validations also, but yeah, this is the key press is used like that. Any questions?